Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So first of all students, congratulations to those who are getting more than 35 in their first term examinations, and soon we are having our half yearlies. So now we should start preparing for our half yearly exams. So we will continue from where we have left. Okay students, we are going to continue your previous chapter fractions, chapter number 7, and today we are starting your types of fractions. So first is your types of fraction, and your first fraction is like fractions. Fractions that have same denominator are called the like fractions. It means if in a fraction they are having same denominators like 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, etc. You can see in all of these they are having 4 as a denominator. So they all are known as like fractions. Second is your unlike fractions. Fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fraction. So if the denominators are same, then the fraction is said to be like fraction, and if the denominators are different, as I have written here 1 by 4, 3 by 9, 5 by 8, you can see the denominators are different over here. So these fractions are called your unlike fractions. Third is your unit fractions. A fraction that has 1 in the numerator is called a unit fraction. Okay, so if a fraction is having 1 as a numerator, then the fraction is said. Fourth is your proper fraction. The fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called a proper fraction. So if in a fraction the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then the fraction is known as your proper fraction. As you can see in all of these fractions, the numerators are smaller than the denominators. Fifth is your improper fraction. The fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called a improper fraction. So if in a fraction the numerators are greater than the denominators, then the fraction is known as your improper fraction. As you can see 7 by 3, so here 7 is numerator and numerator is greater than the denominator, so the fraction is known as your improper. Next we are having comparing the like fractions. So first we are going to learn how to compare like fractions. We know that in like fractions the denominators are the same. So we compare only the numerator. As we have studied that in like fraction the denominators are same. So what we have to compare? We have to compare the numerators only. So I have done one example over here. So I have to compare 4 by 7 and 3 by 7. Now as you can see the numerator in the denominator in this fraction and in this fraction both are 7. It means denominators are same. So what we have to compare? We have to compare the numerator. Now which numerator is greater? 4 is greater or 3 is greater? Very good. 4 is greater. So your fraction 4 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7. Clear? Next we are having ordering like fraction. Now what does ordering means? Ordering means to arrange the like fractions in ascending or in descending order. Okay, so we are having one example over here. I have taken some fractions over here. All of them are like fractions as they all having same denominator. Now first you have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Okay, now come to this fraction. Leave the denominators because denominators are same. You only have to see the numerator. So which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. So you will write 1 by 15 and next will be your 2 by 15, then your 3 by 15, then 5 by 15, then 6 by 15 and last one will be your 8 by 15. So you have arranged them in ascending order. Okay, now you have to arrange them in descending order. Descending means bigger to smaller. Here you have written smaller to bigger and now you have to write bigger to smaller. So just write this fraction 8 by 15, 6 by 15, 5 by 15, 3 by 15, 2 by 15 and last one is your 1 by 15. Okay. Next we are having addition and subtraction of like fractions. Now how to add and subtract your like fractions. So for adding and subtracting of a like fraction is very easy. So your first example is add 3 by 7 and 2 by 7. Okay, now we have to add them. So you will write 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Now the denominators are same. Okay, so there is no need of adding the denominator, and you write the denominator as it is. Okay, this is coming 7 only, and your numerator is 3 and 2. So you will write 3 plus 2. Now 3 plus 2 will be, very good, 5. 5 by 7, and this will be your answer. Clear? So when you have to add like fractions, only you have to add the numerators. Denominator is copied as it is. Now same with the subtraction. When you have to subtract two like fractions, I have written 9 by 11 minus 4 by 11. Same as you have done in addition. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 11. I told you when the denominators are same, you just copy the denominator as it is, and here you will write 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 will be 5. So you will write 5 by 11, and this will be your answer. Clear? So when you have to add or you have to subtract your like fractions, what you only have to do, you have to add the numerators or you have to subtract the numerators only. Okay? Next, we are having one word problem based on your addition of like fractions. So, your word problem is Jitendra worked 7 by 11 hours on Monday and 3 by 11 hours on Tuesday. How many hours did he work in all? Okay, so you have to find the total working hours. So, you will write the statements as on Monday, Jitendra worked for 7 by 11 hours. On Tuesday, Jitendra worked for 3 by 11 hours. Therefore, total hours Jitendra worked for is equals to 7 by 11 plus 3 by 11. Now you have to add these like fractions, and you have to do the addition as we have done before. So you will copy the denominator as it is, and you will copy 7 plus 3. Okay. Now 7 plus 3 will be your 10. Upon your denominator 11 as it is. So your answer is coming 10 by 11. Therefore, total hours Jitendra worked for is 10 by 11 hours. Okay. Thank you students, and have a nice day.